Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is interesting. I got some things to share with you. We had a little mishap. Know if we could see the pipe is off. Our bracket broke. Damn Thunderheaders. So down in there, broke right off. So we're gonna take that off. We're gonna go get it welded today. We got a ton of things to do before next weekend. If you guys, anybody interested and wants to come out and support the Saddle Tramps at Lakeside, California for a poker run, please see all this contact information. Get out there, support. It's always good to support your motorcycle community. There's not too many of us out there. Got to keep it going, keep it strong, support each other. So let's get out there. Let's show our support. Let's ride the heck out of that thing, get the best hand, and win that poker run. It'll be an amazing time. So let's flip around. Let's get this bracket off. Get this going up. I don't know if you can see too well. It hit the frame. But let's get these parts off. We're going to go down, get it all welded back up. Now, the reason why this pipe is a shorty one is because it's been cut right there. And the runners have been shortened, and so the tab doesn't fit. I don't know if you can see that too well. Shitty weld from the previous owner. So we got to fix all that. So stay tuned. We got to get ready, get going for the poker run. There's a ton of stuff to do. Stay tuned. We just got to get this off. It's kind of a pain in the ass because the front one's covered by the clutch cable. Yep, so you just tap that sucker in there and we can turn it, and hopefully this one doesn't have to come all the way out. Boom, there we go. Okay, you see that? You can see the air gap in there. Look at that damn Thunderheader. Oh well, let's go get it fixed. Parts off, taped up. We tape your flanges, you don't want them scratching anymore. Let's go. Got the hood, the bag. Let's go get it welded. All right, we're here. So my uncle's museum, his house. I mean, there is everything from anything to everything. I mean, oh my. Collectibles on collectibles. Dodge, Buick. This is where we're gonna get our pipe welded. I mean, a guy can stay in here for, fuck, he can live here for a year and not even see everything. Pretty amazing. Now, so what happened is, this bracket is bolted to the engine. That bolt's there, but you can see that came loose. Shitty ass weld. I don't know if we can just gouge it and then fill it in better, you know. Here's the tricky part. Can you weld that good?
Yeah, I don't know. If not, we'll let Justin do it.
Oh hell no. This whole bracket, so this has got to be flush, and then that can be welded on and make sure the bolts line up, you know.
Right.
But if not, if we have another little piece, it can be a little longer, like an L.
Yeah.
And then I can drill a hole. I can drill a hole.
No, I'll just weld this one up.
And to match this bracket up again, you know.
Yeah, we'll just weld this one back on because we'll clean that off. And
so you want me to clean those welds on both sides?
This one?
Yeah.
Well,
I'll give it a little scuff.
No, because I'll tell you what.
You need it?
I'd actually like to tack that and then grind it off. See, that way we get it in there just right.
Just where it's at.
Just where it's at, see?
Oh, there it goes, just like that. Just like that. But this is homemade. Somebody's shorting this pipe.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Or should I close it?
Alright.
My little baby's in here.
Where? Oh, the dog?
No, it's what I bought the house for the garage. For that Buick in there.
Oh, let's see. Alright, come on. Let's go check. This is the weld garage. Look at this. Whoa. There we go. The old Buick. What year is this? Probably 53. What is it? What year is the Buick? 53. It's a 53. You heard it. I said it. Look at that. That's why you got to go visit your old uncles. They got the coolest stuff. I mean, this is 100 years of collecting. Whee. Very cool. In the weld shop. Yep. I mean, it's just, I don't know if you're picking it up in there, but yep. Buick up there. I mean, you can't beat this kind of stuff. This is cool. Old Buick parts. Just stuff collected. That's cool. License plates. Hey, maybe we can ask him. Man. It's pretty cool. I mean, this is all history to its fullest. Every corner has a story. Every corner. It's pretty amazing. Yeah. Come outside, barbecue. Look at it. Want to do an eye test? Let's see here. See if you can do your eye test. You might have to pause it and do it over again, but we can put your glasses on here if you can't see, but yep. Never know what you're gonna find around the corner here.
Yeah. And we gotta make sure we get some water in my tank.
This is old Father Time of a machine, huh?
Yeah.
What year is this?
Who knows? 60s. I need that water. Go around that torch. Keep it cool.
Up there.
Oh, okay.
I just figure you just put a big beat through there.
Yeah, let's see if we can get some of that paint off there.
Yeah. There you go. It's gonna bridge the gap on that. There, give you a little bit more fresh metal. Yep.
not even broke on the pipe, but broke up here on the bracket.
Yeah, on the weld.
Yeah.
Same story.
Well, no, it's up top on the weld.
What'd you say? What's my warranty? It's guaranteed what?
Until you bolt it on that fucking vibrator. No warranties.
No warranty.
Watch your eyeballs. Right on. How's that look?
Yeah.
Can we get it?
Yeah. You're up on the bracket now, that's for sure. Yep.
Yeah, let me.
I'll just have to smooth that out where the bolt goes, but that's.
Yeah, let me do a little bit more right here.
Back together. If you want a Thunderheader, be prepared for this. But there you go, back together. So I guess what they say when you get a Thunderheader is there's gonna be a price you're gonna pay. It may not look the prettiest, it'll give you the best performance, but this is the kind of crap you're going to be dealing with. Would I buy it? The looks? To me, you can't beat the looks. Thunderheader is number one. I like the stainless stuff though too, but this is good. All right, let's load up. We're out. I'm in through for the last time here. We'll show you. This is an old hot rodder. He's my uncle's old hot rodder, man. I mean, it's cars. I mean, it's like a museum. I mean, anything to do. I mean, it's pretty cool. I mean, this kind of stuff. I mean, this is a gold mine. Just history, just a bunch of history. History. Junkyard place. All right, let's head out of here. All right, guys, now we're back. Finished up all the welding today. Fun day, going to hang out with the uncle, seeing all the stuff. It's kind of cool bringing the boy out. It's back together, it's here. We're gonna strip it down, put some fresh paint on it, and make it look pretty again. We got to get the dent, stupid dent, get that out of there. But I just want to say again, if you're available next Saturday, come on out, support the Saddle Tramps out of Lakeside, California. Pay your $20 for a single rider, $25 for a pair. Go out, support, do a poker run, have fun, enjoy, get out with the bike community. We got some other things going on. Ben Laurie reached out to us for a product review, so that's in the works. Hang tight on that, and we'll show that. And then most likely going to be giving away those products to a subscriber. So pay attention. Next up after this, we're gonna change the exhaust studs, kind of fix that up and get it going, but we'll save that one for the next one. We got to get all this done by Friday. Paint back on and Friday. We got parts coming, VHT paint. So appreciate you guys. Tune in to the next one. Peace.